So it is 9:15 at Joe's flight school in El Paso, and I just passed the 107, which is a test you have to take in order to fly drones commercially. It's $150. You go to the FAA's website, register at a testing facility. I went to Joe's flight school in El Paso, read the study guide online, watched a YouTube video, passed with 85%. It took me an hour and 45 minutes, and that's a NASA plane. It's like this big silver blob, and it's got 4 propellers on it. It's crazy looking. Anyways, I'm pretty pumped, man. I'm a legal commercial drone pilot now. Ow! I'm a little bit bummed out right now. Kind of, I mean, with a little bit of good reason and a little bit of bad. You know, there's always good and whatever. This story all started back in November when I bought a DJI Mavic while working on Sub Rosa, the movie.
I wonder how his vlogs do. I can't see Hippie getting on of his or something like that.
No, he has a career. He doesn't make money doing that.
Oh, he just plays, it's a hobby.
This happened tonight. I was trying to do a reveal from behind a really tall pecan tree, rising up behind it, and then going over the top, and they're all dead. I hit a branch, and and then it started going down. So, I realize this is basically just, all it is plastic. Like, I shouldn't get upset about it, but it kind of goes towards the greater good. Attempting to make real money on YouTube is terribly difficult. We see a lot of success stories, but the concept that 1,000 views only equates to $1 is very defeating. Like, even buying equipment is difficult. I got an offer to fly a drone for a feature film. Well, they say the Lord works in mysterious ways. We got paid. Even though we have the Inspire to fly professionally, the Mavic is a great drone to go out, do scouting with during the daytime when the light's not right. Got another $100 gift card with it. So, got some filters to try out. Get those nice cinematic shots on the brand new Mavic. Well, second time around. It's not a special. What? 2 bags. Mic check, 1, 2. All right. So we're passing through San Antonio right now, and this is a new rig. So there is a Video Mic Pro on top, a variable ND filter on the front of a 10 to 18 millimeter wide lens. I mean, Canon probably built this lens just for YouTubers, like people that like to hold the camera and film themselves. The one-man show. We're doing it by ourselves. And I got about 231 miles down to the border, and we're gonna be flying on the beach in the morning. So it's been like a week since I posted anything, and there was an article titled, "Success on YouTube Still Means a Life of Poverty." Casey Neistat made a video encouraging everyone to follow their dreams, and from a small channel's point of view, I want to just present the reality of that. But first, we gotta catch up. The van's got new tires, shifters fixed. I was hanging out with Grandma in El Paso for a week. Got her feeling better, had to go to the hospital. She got her driver's license. Life's kind of tough without an ID. Huh? Don't ask me, that's up to the state. And amazingly, she went down to San Angelo to my dad's house, which is Red Bull and Grandma. We don't look too suspicious. We might look a little strange, but I don't think we're illegal. Which is so awesome, because now she's surrounded by loved ones, which is very important. All right, so let's talk about this money thing. 1 million views is worth about $1,000. That's what the article claims. That's what a whole lot of YouTubers say, and my experience has been that. So far, I've got about 1.3 million views on my channel, and I've made like $1,300 bucks. So it's spot on. That's $1 for every 1,000 views, and roughly 1/10 of a cent for a single view. So 10 views is worth 1 penny. And this is for YouTube's built-in advertising. Now let's figure out what it would take to make a career out of YouTube if the only income you had was from YouTube advertising. In my previous life, I worked as an electrician. I could expect to make about $200 a day, work 50 weeks out of the year. That comes out to about $50,000 a year. That's 50 million views. Hypothetically speaking, let's say you could actually post a video every single day. In order to get 50 million views per year, you would have to average 137,000 per video if you posted every single day. The average views to subscriber ratio is about 10%. So 137,000 views per video equates to 1,370,000 subscribers. How do you get 1.5 million subscribers? You need a video to pop, to go viral, to get hundreds of thousands or millions of views. And out of those views, a certain number of people are going to come to your channel, enjoy your content, and hang around for what you make next. Okay, so you put a lot of work in, you made your great ideas, you had a couple videos pop, and now you've got 1 million subscribers. Posting every single day is how you actually make a living at this point. And now comes into play that saying that the hardest million to make is your first. Well, if you have over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, companies are going to want you to promote their products. The real way to look at YouTube is to see it as a platform to host videos, kind of the same as television. And the ad revenue that comes from it cannot be the only source of paying for it. You have to be promoting something else, be it your own work, your own project, like Neistat promoted Beam through his vlog, or sponsorships. So like basically, I've spent a whole lot of money on equipment, made a lot of YouTube videos, and it was kind of all for passion. That's what it's really all about. If you do what you're passionate about, then it's not like work, and then you get really good at it, and there is actually money to be made out there. Playing with cameras does not just have to be a hobby, but you have to hustle, and the startup's expensive. It's like any other business. So I guess that's it for today. We got a job flying drones, and we're hanging out in South Texas. I'm gonna try to vlog some more, but yeah, it's a great night, and we're at Walmart. You know what that means. Here's your plug, Walmart. I'm sleeping in your parking lot. Thank you guys. I love you all. I hope you have a great night, and I will see y'all soon.